Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. Do you know that Messi decided not to play for Barcelona, and after this news, the fans become curious and sad that they are not going to see Lionel Messi in the next season of Barcelona. But we must know the details why he decided to leave Barcelona after a long time distance, because it has a 21-year relationship with Barcelona. So let's check out the details. As we all know, La Liga has fixed salary cap for the maintenance of FFP among the players. This rule has to be followed by all the sports clubs, and the salary cap is the maximum salary limit that a club can spend on a single player. But after the COVID-19, there was a reduction in the salary cap almost by 50%, and with the stadium without fans and the financial stress after the pandemic, there is a substantial financial debt. So it was expected that Lionel Messi and FC Barcelona may have a discussion after the contract, because it is till 30th June. But as according to the rule, there was the requirement for the reduction in the salary of Barcelona players. There was about to have a deal between Messi and Barcelona, but the Spanish La Liga rules for player resignation hindered the process, and Messi had to leave Barcelona. Means after the contract, there was a talk between Barcelona and Messi. They were about to make a new contract, but Barcelona rule posted the resignation difficulty for Messi, and this made Messi leave Barcelona. He will not play for Barcelona in the next season, and the 21 years relation with the heartbreak ended Lionel Messi and the Barcelona. So we hope, no doubt, Messi is the heart of his game, and during his career in Barcelona, he has never let his fans down and with his performance. So with the news broke out of Messi leaving Barcelona, had a significant impact on the fans, and they started, why did Messi want to leave Barcelona? But we hope you are now clear with the answer as why he is leaving, because the rules of deduction for salary make him to leave, not to work with Barcelona. So if you want to say anything about this decision, do share your personal reviews with us. We would love to hear from you.